Good morning, children. Namaste. Yes, here is another video in English, and maybe this is the last video for teaching you all. Yes, after this, we will have worksheets and exam. Get ready for your exams. Ready to go to first class. Yes. Come on, let us do the prayer first. Join your feet, join your hands, close your eyes. पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णा पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि हरि ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्य देवो भव अतिथि देवो भव नमो नमः। Okay, open your eyes. Ready? Yes. What did you learn the last time? Question and answer. Yes. We did what is this? Ikkada. What is this? Here. This is a table. This is a fan. This is a clock. This is Ganesh idol. So this bigger. Duram, far away. That is a fan, that is a car, that is a bus, that is a bird. Okay? So we said, what is this? This is a table. What is this? This is a board. Okay? So these things are, we have learned to write in a sentence. Did you write and practice, children? Please do it. Parents, please let your children write the question and answer. Question and answer. Today we will write that. That is far away. That is a car. That is a bus. Okay? So, today we will write that. Now, we will give you few A, E, I, O, U words in the next class for you to study. Okay? Read your textbook. Yes, read your textbook. C-A-T, cat, R-A-T, rat, M-A-T, mat, F-A-N, fan, M-A-N, man, R-A-N, ran. Like this, read the whole book. Read the sentences. A man and a pan, rat on a mat, cat on a bat, cat on a mat. So, these things you read. Read the whole book. Yes. So, when you come to the first class, you will find it very easy. Okay? Do your revision, children. Write a lot because and same things you will write in the holidays also. Okay? 3-letter words, sentences, read. Now, what did I tell you? Please, parents, ask your child the questions. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Where is my father? My father is in the office. Okay, where? Ekkada. Which is this picture? This picture is a bat. Okay, which, where, what, when? When are you coming? I am coming at 2 o'clock. Understand? So, ask questions. Parents, please ask the questions to your child. He must be able to answer you. So, when he comes to the first class, when the teacher will ask him, what are you doing? I am writing. Where are you going? I am going to wash my hands. Okay? So, these simple things the child should be able to answer to the teacher and listen to what she says as you are listening to me. Okay? So please parents, help your child to read and write. We have finished nearly all our portions. We have reduced. Some words are there in the textbook. OO words, moon, soon. Read those words. EE words, B, T. Yes? Read. So there are many words. Read those words from the book and learn them. Take out your books. Today we will write what question answers. Okay? Take your book, pencil and eraser. Come on. Draw. You have the line in the book. Yes? What's the date today? 18-2-21. Okay? Come on. Last time you wrote Q is question. So write question and answer. Q is question. First question. One question. Okay, what is the question? First we are going to write. W is big, small alphabets after that. What? Finger space. What is that? What is the spelling of that? T-H-A-T. Now question answer. How will you write question? Like this. This is a question. Okay. What is that? So we will show a far away car. Okay. Answer, write A. Full stop. That now. Write big T. That. Finger space. Is. Finger space. A car. What is the spelling of car? C-A-R. Full stop. Okay. What is that? That is a car. Now one more second question you will write. Two question. Again. Question. What is finger space that? Question mark. Yes? Answer. That. Sorry, what is that here we are drawing is a hut. That is a hut. H-U-T full stop. Okay? We are giving you only two questions, children, so that you can practice well and write. In the exam, we will give different pictures. What is that? We'll draw a car, cat. You will write that is a cat. Now what is this? Car. What is that? That is a car. What is that? That is a hut. Full stop. Okay? So children, now you have understood question and answer how to write. Okay? So please parents, let them write, let them read. I am not giving more than this. And for the exam, you can learn Dhobi Aya, one little, two little, three little Indians. We have given in the template few. You can sing Hindi, Telugu or English rhyme. Any one rhyme. We will let you know the details. And the portions are this, that and three letter words. A few letters, but reading should be there. So please learn to read. Okay? And write this your homework in your textbook. Thank you and namaste.